Hi, my name is Sam Willingham. I'm a registered cardiac sonographer and a registered vascular sonographer. Today I'm working on the Mindray Z60. The transducer we're using is the 7L4P. One of the functions that the Mindray has is an M-mode function, and I'm going to show you how that works. So what we do is we have our picture, and we press M-mode, and then the line comes up automatically where we can adjust it wherever we want to place our M-mode to get the accurate data. So say we want our M-mode to be here, then we press M-mode again. Then it starts acquiring clips, and whenever we've got the information that we need, we press freeze. We can scroll backwards or forward if we need to. Save the image. That's how you use the M-mode function on the Mindray Z60. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.